Quick, graph y equals 1/3 times the square root of the quantity 81 minus x squared by hand, two different ways. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way is using X and Y-intercepts. The X-intercepts occur when y is equal to 0. So we're going to set this expression equal to 0. That 1/3 won't affect it. And we're going to get 81 equals x squared. Take the square root of each side and get two answers. X is equal to either positive 9 or negative 9. And so here are our two x-intercepts, negative 9, 0 and positive 9, 0. The y-intercepts occur when x is equal to 0. So we'll substitute x equals 0 here. Go ahead and pause and simplify this as much as you can. Press resume when you're ready to continue. So it turns out y is 1/3 of the square root of 81, which is 1/3 of 9, which is 3. So our y-intercept is at 0, 3. All we need to do is connect the points with a rounded curve, and there's our graph. We'll compare it to the parent function y equals the square root of the quantity 81 minus x squared. It's a top half of a semicircle. And you can see that our graph is not a semicircle. That 1/3 changed the shape of the graph. You should notice that the blue y coordinates times 1/3 are the green y coordinates, not just for these points, but for all points. Second way, using a table. So here is our table, and we're going to use values that are easy to substitute, like 9, 0, and negative 9 for x. So when we put those numbers in, we get these values for y. We need to multiply each y value by 1/3, keeping the x coordinates the same. And so 0 times 1/3, of course, is 0. So we'll plot 9, 0. 1/3 of 9 is 3. 0, 3 is our y-intercept. And 0 times 1/3 is a 0, and negative 9, 0. Connect the points with a rounded looking curve, and we compare it to our parent function, which is a semicircle of radius 9. Now you try one. Graph y equals 1/4 times the square root of the quantity 64 minus x squared. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here's our answer in green compared to its parent function in blue.